Down at the bottom of VS 10, you can see the navigation buttons. These have been here always, but there's a way you can change this. You can change it to gestures. So how do you do that? First, you want to go down to the settings. From here, you go into display. You scroll down until you see navigation bar. You click this. And from here you can choose a lot of stuff with a button order, but you want to enable full screen gestures. So you can see down here there is no navigation buttons, but now you can see like lines. You can like swipe up here to use these as like the buttons. It's a little bit cooler, so that's why you might want to do it. And that's how you enable the navigation gestures on VS 10. See you in the next video.